Hi guys, welcome back to the your own channel guys. We can see where the crude oil and natural gas and other gold are going to work for this week. Okay guys, you can trade for, you can see that this is acting as a resistance and supporting. So right now it is continuously acting as a supporting. So I will just shift this. These are the target. What we have to see is that our first target will be here guys, second, third, fourth and fifth target guys in crude oil. In downside also we can see guys, here if once again it will take resistance, then you can go for your first target guys. This will be second, third, fourth and fifth target guys. Okay guys, we can see the natural gas. Okay guys, natural gas analysis, you can see that I will do that too, so you can check out later on. Okay guys, we can see here guys, at this point it is acting as a one of the major resistance right now. Okay guys, if once again it will act as a resistance guys, right now it is acting as a resistance. Our first target will be this guys, second target will be somewhere here guys, and our third target guys, our fourth target will be somewhere here, our fifth target guys. These are the five target in downside. In upside also we can see here guys, if breaks and takes support somewhere here, our first target will be here, second, third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, we can see next is that the gold. Okay guys, gold analysis, you can see that I have also mentioned you that it is acting as resistance and it is acting as supporting area. Okay guys, it broke, it came down one side again and broken here somewhere. You can see that it is continuously taking resistance right now. So I will just shift this here, so you can see that in upside momentum, if it will break and came once again upside, our first target will be somewhere here guys, second target, third and fourth and final target. Okay guys, you can also see after this breakout only you have to take your upside momentum position only. Okay guys, we can see in downside too guys. For a gold, you can see here, if it will take a resistance, our first target will be here, second target guys, third target or fourth and fifth final target. Okay guys, we can see next analysis is coffee guys. You can see that coffee analysis also, it making a double top, then it came once again downside and taking here somewhere support guys. So this is the so much choppiness is here in coffee. So better we have to leave it, or you have wanted to trade it. So you have to see that if once again it came downside, then our first target will be somewhere here, second target guys, this will be third target. Okay guys, if we want it, it came once again upside momentum. Okay guys, our first target will be here, second target, and here also two times resistance. So you have to see that, and then only you have to take your position guys. Okay guys, here is the one of the resistance, so you can see, and here also one of the resistance. So you can see the thing is that price action after that, if it will crosses, then you can go for this. Okay, let's see the previous week analysis, what we have done and how it behaves guys. Discuss that previous week how the all crude oil and natural gas, you can see that our analysis is, this is the trend line. After this will break, you can definitely got your first target, second, third and fourth. You can see that within 2 to 3 days only we have reached up till here guys. You can see that we have got very nice trade here, almost a jackpot. Like you can see here, your SL will be somewhere here, you have buy somewhere here, then you can see that how nicely this natural gas trade has been executed guys. Okay guys, in US, in crude oil also you can see that I have told you, if it will take resistance, exactly it has taken resistance. Our first target almost reached. After that you can see that here your SL will be hit. After that it taking resistance and came down and become a volatile right now. Okay guys, we can see the gold also. I have also told you this is the gold analysis. You can see that, you can see here what happened, it broke downside. After that two times it has been tested. You can see here, I will just remove this. You can see that two times it has tested here only. You can see. Okay guys, after third time, I have told you that third time it will definitely break. It has broken. You can see that how nicely it broken, and this trend line also broken. You can see that how nicely this trade has been executed. You can see here. Okay guys, our first target, second target, both target we have reached. After that it has been here only taking resistance and closed guys right now. Okay guys, in coffee also we can see, in coffee also you can see here it taken exactly here somewhere. You can see here our buying position is somewhere here. You can see that it coming downside once again, so you have to square off your, because of here making it double top, so that's why it came once again downside. We can see now how it behaves. If you like my video guys, please go and subscribe my channel guys, like and share with your friends and families guys. If you have any queries, please comment down guys. I will definitely reply on that. And thank you for watching this video guys.